on Sugar Spun Run, I'll be showing you how to make honey butter. Hey Sugar Spun Bakers, Sam here, and today I have a very easy recipe for you. Yes, it's been carefully tested and perfected, but it's super simple, so let's get right to it. You need only 3 ingredients to make this recipe, so of course you want those ingredients to be as high of a quality as possible. You're going to need 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and you want this to be softened. And because this recipe only uses a few ingredients, I'm using a high quality European style butter. Now you could use a stand mixer for today's recipe, but I'm just going to be using an electric hand mixer. And I'm just going to cream that butter by itself until it's light and fluffy and well creamed. Now the next ingredient you need is probably obvious. You need a 1/2 cup of honey. And again, I am using a quality, local, kind of expensive honey because I want this honey butter to taste really good. Now I'm just adding this with my mixer on low speed at first to help make sure everything combines really nicely. And of course you want to make sure you scrape the measuring cup, that way you get all of that honey in there. Finally, because we are using unsalted butter, which I do because I want to have complete control over the flavor of this honey butter, we're going to need to add some salt. I'm going to be adding 1/2 teaspoon of fine, flaky sea salt that I just ground myself. Now mix everything together until it's completely combined. And of course you can use a spatula to scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl so that you can make sure everything is well combined. And that is it. I'm just going to transfer this to a different dish. And that is it. This honey butter is ready to go. That took, what, 30 seconds? I hope you guys enjoyed today's super simple recipe. And if you try it out, please let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. That's good.